You know, from all my years, over 20 of owning the restaurant, the Farm of Beverly Hills, people are asking me, and always did ask me, quick and easy recipes, something fun to do. And I've got a great quick dessert recipe that I found on Bon Appetit just recently. Of course, it's caffeinated, so, and you do kind of have to like coffee, but it's fabulous. Here we go, really simple. 1 cup of water, boiling. To that, you're gonna add a tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of agar. Agar instead of gelatin gives it a much better texture, and this is vegan actually, and a little pinch of kosher salt. You're gonna add that into your boiling water, stirring away till it's completely dissolved, which doesn't take but a minute. Then you're gonna turn this off, let it cool for just a few minutes, and then you're gonna add coffee concentrate. Again, 1 cup, because coffee is, when you buy the concentrate, the cold brew concentrate, it's 1 to 1. 1 cup, in we go. Stirring as we go, because that's gelatin in there now. It's not gelatin, but it's gonna work like it. We're gonna let it cool for just a second, and then you put it into some fun molds. I find that silicone molds work best because you can simply push them out. They pop out really simple. And I actually found this on Amazon. I looked for the ones that had the quickest release. And that's it. And then I'm gonna use this same cup so that I can fill this tray. You could put it in an 8x8 and just cut it up, but I like fun shapes. Wait till you see. And then you just fill up the tray. Just gonna fill these up, maybe not all the way, because this particular tray has a very cool lid so I don't spill it all over my refrigerator. So, this has been in the fridge about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. And look, it's so cool. It's completely gelled. Nothing's pouring out. And I'm gonna pop these out now onto a plate. And you'll see how easy this is. Is that the coolest? And I like it because it was a fun shape. So I've done a couple of these, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how we finish it up. So I've taken all of those cool little coffee jellos that look kind of like jewels, placed them into these cups. These, if you will remember, are some of those cups that I found in an estate sale, the Lalique ones. Don't know how I managed, but there they were. Perfect for this kind of a little dessert. Just pile them in there, a little bit of Cool Whip, dusting with a little bit of unsweetened cocoa, or even some chocolate shavings would be really good, or really kind of anything that tickles your fancy. Let's taste this. I'm so excited. Love this dessert.